Hello dear students. So we have already finished the chapter Growth of Indian Nationalism, and now I am going to give you the answers of the questions of the exercise. Number 1. Who was the writer of Ananda Math? Answer is Bankim Chandra Setarji was the writer of Ananda Math. Who composed the song Sare Jahan Se Acha? The answer is Muhammad Iqbal composed the song Sare Jahan Se Acha. Number 3. When and where was the first railway line in India constructed? The answer is in 1854 in Madras, the first railway line in India was constructed. Number 4. When and where was the first telegraph line in India constructed? The answer is in 1839. Telegraph line was laid between Calcutta and Diamond Harbour by private sector for the first time. Number 5. When and where was the first printing press established in India? The answer is in 1797 in Sri Rampur Mission, the first printing press was established in India. When was the Calcutta Presidency College established? By what name it was named earlier? Calcutta Presidency College was established in 1855. It was named as the Hindu College earlier. Number 7. Mention two important social reforms of Lord William Banting. The answer is abolition of sati and women education. Number 8. Name the first newspaper of India, published in India. Bengal Gazette. So now long answer type questions. Number 1 is write briefly how the revolt of 1857 led to the growth of Indian nationalism. So for the answer you have to go to page number 25. So you have to write the paragraph as the answer of the question. And number 2 is what? Write about 6 important reasons for the growth of Indian nationalism. Here you will have to write about all factors responsible for the growth of Indian nationalism. Number 3 is write at least 4 effects of the introduction of Western education in India. So I have written 4 points as the answer. Okay, number 1 is the effects of the introduction of Western education in India are: number 1 is introduction of a systematic hierarchy through the high school and college to the university, and number 2, granting aid system was introduced. Number 3 is scholarship was introduced, and number 4 is establishment of education department. Next, number 4, discuss the impact of Western education towards the growth of Indian nationalism. So you have to go to the page number 26. So here is the answer. You will have to write these points: nationalism, democracy, self-government, etc. And you have to write that the Indians were inspired by the ideas of Mazzini, Garibaldi, Cavour. The educated Indians became ready to work for national unity and the liberation of the country. Okay, it is the answer. Next, number 5. Yes, how did the development of transport and communication lead to the growth of nationalism in India? So page number 26. Page number 26. Okay, so you have to write it about the Grand Trunk Road, about the first railway line, and about the telegraph line. Okay, and again next is what? Number 6, discuss the contribution of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in the growth of Indian nationalism. So you have to write about Brahmo Samaj. It is in the 28 page number. You have to write about Brahmo Samaj and about the contribution of Raja Ram Mohan Rai, and you have to write about abolition of sati and about women education. These are the main points about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and you have to write elaborately. Next number is number 7. Discuss the contribution of Dayanand Saraswati in the growth of Indian nationalism. So the answer is in page number 31. So you have to write about Arya Samaj and its contributions. Okay, and number 8 is discuss the contribution of Kesab Chandra Sen in the growth of Indian nationalism. So the answer is in page number 31. You have to write about Prarthana Samaj. Okay, and 9 is discuss the contribution of Ramakrishna Paramhansa in the growth of Indian nationalism. So actually Ramakrishna Paramhansa was the model of Swami Vivekananda only, and Swami Vivekananda was the disciple or follower of the follower of Ramakrishna Paramhansa. And here is mentioned about Swami Vivekananda only, and Swami Vivekananda's contribution towards the growth of Indian nationalism. Okay, so you have to write about Ramakrishna Paramhansa, as Ramakrishna Paramhansa was a simple and pious man. His teachings attracted a large number of followers towards him, and after this you have to write about Swami Vivekananda. Number 10 is discuss the contribution of Annie Besant in the growth of Indian nationalism. So for the answer you have to go to the page number 33. Okay, we are going to the page number 33. Yes, you have to write about the Theosophical Society and about Annie Besant. Yes, Annie Besant was an Irish lady, and she loved India as her motherland. And you will have to add her contributions, and you will have to write that she was the first lady president of the Indian National Congress. Okay, and next is 11. What is Aligarh movement, and to what extent did it infuse modern outlook and thinking among the Indian Muslims? Okay, you have to go page number 34. Yes, it is about Aligarh movement. You have to write about Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. He was the leader of the Aligarh movement, and to what extent did it infuse modern outlook and thinking among the Indian Muslims? And here you will have to write about Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. Okay. Next is what? How did the printing press in India lead to the growth of Indian nationalism? Discuss. So the answer is 36 number page. So you have to write elaborately, because here is written as discuss. Okay, so you have to write about Bengal Gazette. You have to write about Bengal Gazette. It was the first paper in India, and after that you have to write about the vernacular press was highly critical of the policies of the British government in India and had succeeded in building up public opinion against the colonial rules. You have to write it elaborately. Okay, and next number 13, discuss briefly the factors that led to the birth of Indian National Congress. Okay, you have to write about it is in the 38 number page, and here you have to write about political associations, and you have to write about what was the background of Indian National Congress. You have to write about the Ilbert Bill here. Okay, Ilbert Bill. You have to write about the Ilbert Bill, page number 38. Okay, and you have to write the paragraph and you have to add about Ilbert Bill. Okay, next is number 14. Give a brief account of the working of the Indian National Congress during the early years of its formation. Page number 39. We will get the answer. Okay, in the early years of, during the early years, the Indian National Congress adopted a friendly policy. You have to write the paragraph. You have to write the paragraph. Okay, and you have to write that about Indian Council Act of 1892. Okay, so it is the last question of the exercise. I hope you all have understood the answers. Okay, so dear students, I have given you the answers of the short questions and I have given you the guideline to write the long question answers, and I hope you all can write the answers and you all can write it in your exam. So if you have any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you.